Wisdom is not born from a full mind. It is born from a mind that has space. When your mind is constantly busy processing new inputs, a video, an article, a podcast, a notification, it has neither the time nor the space to think, to connect ideas, to reflect, to ask, what does this information really mean? How does it relate to my life? How does it change what I already know? These three questions, thinking, connecting, questioning, are exactly what transforms information into wisdom. But they require one thing: emptiness, unoccupied mental space, time when you're not drowning in consumption. A full mind is a busy mind, and a busy mind cannot think deeply. It can only react. It can only accumulate. It can only jump from one piece of information to the next without digesting any of it. A less full mind, a mind that has reduced its consumption, is a mind that has time to think. It has space to connect ideas. It has the stillness that allows wisdom to emerge. So how do you reduce information consumption practically? The goal is not to stop learning. It's to learn more deeply, not more widely. Here are 4 practical steps. Step 1. Replace consumption with production. Whenever you feel the urge to consume content, open YouTube, scroll social media, read a random article. Ask yourself, can I produce something instead? Write a paragraph. Record a short clip. Draw a diagram. Summarize what you learned today. Production forces you to think. Consumption allows you not to think. Step 2. Apply a weekly information fast for one day. Choose one day, Saturday, for example, where you consume no new content, no news, no articles, no videos, no podcasts, not even books. Instead, think about what you already know. Write, reflect, walk. Let your mind breathe. The first day will be hard. Your hand will instinctively reach for your phone. But as the weeks pass, you'll notice something strange. This empty day becomes your most creative day. Step 3. Turn passive consumption into active consumption. When you consume content, don't consume it passively. Don't read an article and immediately jump to the next one. Pause. Ask yourself, what is the one idea I took from this? How will I apply it? Who will I share it with? Turn consumption into an internal dialogue. This transforms information from something you heard into something you understood. Step 4. Schedule deep thinking time every day. Set aside 10 minutes daily just for thinking. Not for reading, not for listening, not for watching. For thinking. What did I learn this week? What challenge am I currently facing? What do I need to make a decision about? Sit in a quiet place. No phone, no inputs, just you and your thoughts. This simple exercise is what turns accumulated information into applicable wisdom. We live in an age that makes it easy to be informed and hard to be wise. Information is available to everyone. Wisdom is not. Wisdom doesn't come from the person who consumed the most. It comes from the person who thought the most, connected the most, reflected the most, applied the most. Reduce your consumption, not because information is worthless, but because your mind needs space to transform it into something deeper, into understanding, into wisdom. The next time you feel the urge to open an app, read an article, or watch a video, pause. Ask yourself, do I need more information right now? Or do I need space to understand what I already know? The answer to that question is the difference between someone who knows a lot and someone who understands life. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a practical guide to building habits that actually stick, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.